Hi, third graders. So for your writing today or this week, we are actually going to use a different format. Last week it was kind of hard to type in that Google Doc and then share it back. So we are going to try to do it through a form that you just submit, like your quizzes and other assignments. So when you get into your form, it's going to look like this: week 2 writing journal. And the first thing you are going to do is type your name. So you would type it. Then you need to choose your teacher. You are either with Mrs. Austin or Mrs. Oki. That's pretty standard. And right here is your prompt. And I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. It says, a new housing development is being built in your town. The location of the new houses is in an area that has lots of trees, a large pond, and lots of grass and plants. This area is home to many beavers, fish, frogs, lizards, birds, and many small mammals like rabbits and foxes. In your opinion, is this a good place to build new houses? Why or why not? What will happen to the animals? And what resources will the animals have to compete for? So that's when you're talking about them competing for food, water, space, and who are they competing with if people are building houses there? Now, it is an opinion piece. There's no wrong or right answer. It is just sharing what you think and giving reasons that support your opinion. So how you're going to do it this week, we are going to do the 3 paragraphs like the other video said: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. So in the first box right here, it says type your introduction below. So you will click there and you can type. Now, please do not be afraid to write this on another piece of paper first and then type it in like we would if we were at school. In fact, that's probably easier. But when I start my introduction, I need to start with an opening or a transition that helps me state my opinion. So I could start by saying, in my opinion, ... I think, and state your opinion. Then in the body paragraph, I'm going to use some transition words in this when I give you my first reason. The first reason I think that ... and then I'm going to give you my reasons why my opinion is what it is. Then down below, I'm going to type my conclusion in this bottom. So this is where you restate your opinion. So for these reasons, I think that, and I'm going to state my opinion. Now, after you have a good introduction paragraph, a body paragraph, and a conclusion paragraph typed in these 3 areas, you're going to go ahead and click submit, and that will show me who's done. And hopefully this goes a little smoother than the Google Doc from last week. So we'll give it a try. If you have questions, please let me or your teacher or Mrs. Austin know. Have a good one.